Bit of a long one this week. It's a 4-minute app, so apologies for that, but this one is really worth looking at. It's called Looktel and it's Recognizer. Now it works on the iPhone, so if you search for it on the store, make sure you're searching for iPhone apps. It will of course work on the iPad without a problem at all. This is a most amazing app for people with a visual impairment, but I'm sure you'll see that for people who have autism, this could be fantastic as well. What you do, you use it on your iPhone or it'll work on the iPad, but it is an iPhone app and it recognises things and stuff. So the first thing it says is, you have to do that.
Speak your description after the beep.
My deodorant. So it's taken the photograph.
Description saved.
And it's saved.
My deodorant.
So it's got it. So what this does, it recognises the image.
My deodorant.
So every time you point your iPad or your iPhone, it goes,
My deodorant.
that is amazing. But can it recognise two things that are just about the same?
Hold still. Speak your description after the beep.
My wife's deodorant.
Description saved.
So here we are, the two of them, and let's just test it.
My deodorant. My wife's deodorant. My deodorant. My wife's deodorant.
It really does work. But of course the big test is, can it tell the difference between a Nexus 7
Hold still.
and an iPad?
Hold still.
Oh, she's sounding a bit nervy.
Speak your description after the beep.
My Nexus 7.
Description saved.
Okay, she got that.
Hold still.
Let's try the iPad.
Speak your description after the beep.
My iPad. Hang on, she's thinking about this one.
Description saved.
Oh, we're there.
My iPad.
So here it is then, the big question. Can she tell the difference between a Nexus 7 and an iPad? Here we go.
My Nexus 7. My iPad. My Nexus 7. My iPad.
So that really does work, and let's see how it copes with dodgy backgrounds. Look, it's still going for it. Fantastic.
My iPad.
Okay, joking aside, this is an amazing app. It has one little flaw. It really needs to see what you took the photograph of. So I need to move the label
My
round
deodorant.
and then it gets it. So that's the only thing. But you know, even in a kitchen setting, I can take a picture of things around the kitchen. There's my coffee machine.
Hold still. Hold
I'm
still.
holding still, I'm holding still.
Speak your description after the beep.
Coffee maker.
Description saved.
And you can do it as quick
Speak
as
your
this.
description after the beep.
Kettle. That was not edited at
Description
all.
saved.
Here we go, see if it works.
Coffee maker. Kettle. Coffee maker. Kettle.
Tremendous app. Now the Looktel money reader recognises sterling, so this is really useful. And this is another app. Here we go, just get it down there. There you are, £5 note and
£20.
so you can literally hold it over the top of the note and it's got it.
£20.
I was interested to know what happens if you get them from a different distance, but it seems to work okay.
£5.
But you do seem to have to keep things very still, which is something I think somebody would get used to.
£20.
As you can see there, it worked fine in the end. Apps like this are really fascinating, and not just for people with visual impairments. A lot of our students could benefit from something like this. Certainly the Looktel Recognizer, it could actually tell you different parts of the school or centre. So as somebody's going down a corridor, they can point the iPad and then basically know where they're at. I think they're tremendous, and actually it works a lot better and easier than you might expect. It's very accurate. So I really like those. Looktel. Have a look for their apps in the iPhone store, in the iPad store, and I think you'll find they're about £6.99. So they're not the cheapest, but hey, they're pretty good.